Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by prioritizing safety. Disconnect the scooter battery and wear insulated gloves to avoid shorts. Gather a multimeter, basic screwdrivers, a soldering iron, heat shrink tubing, and a replacement diode or fuse. These cover most failures. First, visually inspect the charger brick, cable, and plug for melted plastic or exposed wires, because that tells you whether to repair or replace. Next, set your multimeter to DC volts and probe the charger output leads to confirm whether the unit is producing the expected voltage. Once done with the initial voltage check, open the charger housing carefully using the right screwdriver and release plastic clips. Take pictures so reassembly is easy. Inspect the PCB closely. Swollen capacitors, blackened resistors, and cracked diodes reveal common faults. Use the continuity and diode test on the multimeter to confirm a blown fuse or shorted diode, because replacing those often restores function. If a capacitor tests open or low capacitance, plan to replace it. If traces are burnt, clean and prepare for solder repairs. You repair by desoldering the bad diode or fuse, replacing it with an identical spec part, and soldering broken traces. Cover joints with heat shrink to prevent shorts. Reassemble the housing and reconnect the charger to the battery only after retesting the output voltage and checking under a small load like a phone to confirm regulation. If the charger still fails, swap in a known good charger to isolate scooter vs charger fault. One key troubleshooting tip: if voltage appears then collapses under load, suspect a weak capacitor or thermal shutdown.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.